Click on the link below to get price. The Westinghouse 2800 peak watt super quiet and lightweight portable inverter generator stands out in the crowded market of portable generators, offering a blend of power, portability, and quiet operation that makes it an excellent choice for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency backup at home. One of the most notable features of this generator is its impressive peak wattage of 2,800 watts, which allows users to run multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you need to power a refrigerator, lights, or electronics, the Westinghouse generator handles it with ease, delivering a steady 2,300 running watts. This makes it particularly useful for maintaining essential household appliances during power outages. Portability is another strong suit of this generator. Weighing only around 48 pounds, it is easy to transport. The built-in handle and compact design mean you can easily load it into a car or carry it around a campsite without straining your back. The quiet operation is a standout feature. It operates at just 52 decibels, comparable to the sound of a normal conversation. This is a significant advantage for those who enjoy outdoor activities or need to use the generator in residential areas without disturbing neighbors. Fuel efficiency is commendable as well, with a runtime of up to 12 hours on a single tank of gas at 25% load. This means less time spent refueling and more time enjoying your outdoor experience or ensuring that your home remains powered during outages. The user-friendly control panel includes multiple outlets, including USB ports, and the generator is equipped with overload protection and a low oil shutdown feature, enhancing safety and convenience. Overall, the Westinghouse 2800 peak watt super quiet and lightweight portable inverter generator is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly option for anyone in need of portable power. Its combination of quiet operation, portability, and solid performance makes it a worthy investment for both outdoor enthusiasts and homeowners alike.